Hello everyone, we are from Group 3, consists of me, Hazman, Amela, Seri and Chen. So we are going to present the topic today is microplastic in our ocean. So this is the part we are going to present, I can see in this slide. So we are going to first part, which is introduction. So introduction to microplastic. So we have to know what is microplastic, their origin and where they come from. So microplastic is a polyparticle, they within the less 5 meter. They have two types, primary and secondary. Primary is from the industrial use, and secondary is from the degradation process of microscopic plastic part. So we can find it in the rivers, ocean, and even our drinking water. So I mentioned that there are microplastic and microplastic. So the difference between two is that microplastic is a small particle, less than 5 millimeter, and microplastic is a bigger, more than 5 meters. So you can see in this picture.
How to identify microplastics? There are two ways to identify microplastics, either through physical characterization or chemical characterization. Physical characterization. The method used is microscopy. It is a simple, fast, and easy way to identify microplastics. However, it is possible to obtain a false positive result. Let's move on to chemical characterization. Firstly, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. This is an automatic mapping system where no false positive data is obtained. However, it is an expensive instrument. Next, Raman spectroscopy. It enables us to detect up to 1 millimeter plastics in size. However, it is also expensive and time-consuming. Lastly, thermal analysis enables us to simultaneously analyze polymer types and effective chemicals. However, it is a destructive analysis and only can identify a few polymers.
With the effects of microplastics to marine and human life. Firstly, the effects of microplastics on marine life. It can block the digestive tracts of the animals, diminish the urge to eat, and reduce the growth and reproductive output of the marine life. While to human life, we consume contaminated food chain, and it is our endocrine disruptors, and it will damage our cells. Now, let's take a look to what type of microplastics that are harmful to human and marine life. There are two types of harmful microplastics. Firstly, it is polyethylene terephthalate. The functional group is from carboxyl C, as we can see here, it has double bond O with O. The next type is polypropylene, which the functional group from carboxyl, and as we can see here in the chemical structure, it has double bond O with OH. Now, let's discuss the effect of harmful microplastics. From polyethylene terephthalate, we know that water bottles are made up of polyethylene terephthalate. It is recyclable, but not biodegrade. It photodegrade. When it photodegrades, it breaks down into smaller fragments over time and absorbs toxins. Thus, it contaminates our soil and sickens the animal which we eat. For the polypropylene, the toxicity of a particular plastic varies dramatically from product to product because of each product's manufacturing process. So, researchers found that some polypropylene products affect the androgen hormones and causing toxic or stress response in cells. Thus, it weakens the architecture of the developing brain in humans.
Now, how can we solve the problem? But can microplastic pollution be solved? Microplastic is coming from plastics. Therefore, we cannot simply avoid any plastics because it has been used every day in our daily life. So, we can reduce them. These are some ways that we can practice. Firstly, no bottled water, but instead use a reusable bottle and you can save more money. Secondly, buy an eco-friendly clothes that produce zero waste such as cotton. Do not buy clothes that use synthetic fibers such as polyester and nylon. You also can get a laundry ball that catch microfibers shedding off your clothes in the washer. Next, switch plastic straws to a reusable straws and shop with a reusable bags. In conclusion, this is the ocean microplastics pollution chain, and we can see that microplastics enter not only into aquatic animals but into our food chain as well. Thus, we must spread the word to reduce the microplastics pollution that has been in our ocean. Thank you.